So here you can see the engine which installed with this generator is a C18 engine, and this is all the specification of this engine. Okay, so actually problem night time this generator become automatically off. I check one fuse was burned here because its panel was not coming on. This panel was not coming on. This is my EMCP 4.1 power wizards, so this was not coming on, so I check it. So this fuse was burned, so I put an other fuse. That fuse also burnt. So as you can see, I have fixed the new fuses here. Okay, so now I on the, here you can see now this panel has light up. Viewers, I have fixed another fuse. Here you can see now the light is coming, LED is blinking. So now I on the switch. As soon as I on the switch, the light has gone. So I'm going to check my then I on the switch, light is gone. So now I'm going to check my fuse. So what happened to fuse? So this fuse is very hot. So fuse is very hot. It means it is a burn. I found that when I on this switch, this fuse is a burnout. So problem may be this switch. So I'm going to check what is the problem. This switch is off position, lights coming here. Okay, before starting we need to on this switch. When I on this switch, so this fuse is burned out. So we have checked all the connection. The problem is only ECM, because you can this time this light is coming. When we switch, this switch is put on position, turn to on position, then this light is gone. This light is gone mean the fuse burn. Okay, and that fuse is giving the connection to give the voltage to ECM. So when we remove the ECM, so here power is not go. Okay, it means the problem is ECM. So we are going to remove the ECM. So viewers, I thoroughly checked the complete harness and all the components related this on-off switch circuit. So I found that this ECM has the problem. When I removed this socket from the ECM and on the switch, my fuse was not burnt. So I concluded that the problem may be inside this ECM. This ECM may be shortage inside. So I'm going to change it. So viewers, now I am going to remove this ECM and I will fix a new ECM in place of this ECM. Then after it I will show you my problem is finished or not. So viewers, you can see this new ECM has come. So now I am going to fix this new ECM, and after it I will show you my generator is starting. So you can see I have installed new ECM. Okay, so power is on. So I'm going. So now you can see the light is coming, and I'm going to start this put on site, and here is asking reset. So I will ask OK. Now here you can say now all the code is finished. When it's ready to start, I press auto. After I press this on, so you can see now my generator is starting. That's why my problem is solved. So viewers, if this video is useful for you, so you have give a thumb up and share this video to your friend and have to subscribe this channels, then I give you the more informative video. Thank you.